This song that I'm going to give you is actually my latest single. It's called Testimony. So enjoy. I got a testimony. I got a story to tell, and the blessings all over me. Jireh did. You see, plenty money. But him winnie was silver and Senegal. I am praising the living God. I see colors on me, cause I've been feeling the worst, but God is the best. They are my Samalila. Oh, I see colors on me, cause I've been feeling the worst, but God is the best. They are my Samalila. Yeah, see the blessing that follow. Oh, yeah. Look the way that I get more. Oh, yeah. I said, Pamtima, hey, Baba Mtima, Wanga, Umayamika, Tika Wonako Wani Chotsaine. Sing with me, cause I am the testimony. Understand my joy, yeah. Emmanuel, that is true, boy, enough, and he'll never leave. I see colors on me, cause I've been feeling the worst, but God is the best. They are my Samalila. Oh, I see, yeah. Oh, I Samalila. Hey, see the blessing that follow. Oh, yeah. Look the way that I get more. Hey, oh, yeah. Pamtima, Baba Mtima, Wanga, Umayamika, Dika Wonako Mwandi. See the blessing that follow. Oh, yeah. Look the way that I get more. Hey, oh, yeah. Pamtima, hey, Baba Mtima, Wanga, Umayamika, Dika Wonako Mwandi, Jotsaine. Dika Wonako Mwandi, Jotsaine. Jotsaine. Dika Wonako Mwandi, Jotsaine.